welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, of course, welcome to my channel. I am your girl Shauna. Now in today's video I'll be doing the TMI tag. Sorry guys, it's called the this or that tag, not TMI. Now this tag has 50 questions, you guys, which is quite a lot of questions. So I'm going to try and answer them as short and sweet as possible. You know me, I like to waffle on, but I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. So without further ado, let's just jump into these questions. Okay, so the first question says, $1 million or true love? I would choose true love, because when you find true love, it's magical and it's wonderful, and you can both work together and acquire $1 million or more. So I would definitely say true love is a beautiful, wonderful thing, more than anything money can buy. So I definitely say true love. Number 2, action or comedy? I'd say comedy. I love to laugh, so I'd say comedy. Number 3, American Idol or Dancing with the Stars? I would say Dancing with the Stars because I love dancing. I'm not a dancer, but I love the art of dancing. So I would say Dancing with the Stars. Number 4, Beyonce or Rihanna? Now, come on now. I cannot pick between the two girls because I love them. I think they're both talented and creative individuals. And I would have to say Beyonce and Rihanna. I cannot choose from that lineup. They're both incredible young women, and they're doing their thing in the music business and in the fashion business and everything else. So I'd have to say both of them. Both of them. Number 5, black olives or green? Ooh, I would say green olives, even though I don't really know the difference. I've never really tasted the difference. But I usually go for green olives when I go shopping. So I'd say green. Number 6, black pens or blue pens? Oh, black pens. Black pens, definitely. I hate writing with blue ink pens. Definitely black pens. 7, blondes or brunettes? It doesn't really matter. I don't really care about blondes or brunettes. Either will do. As friends or family or whatever. I don't really care about if they're blondes or brunettes. 8, boobs or ass? I would say boobs. I don't have a lot of either, but I would say boobs, because I think when you wear like a low cut top or something of that sort and you have nice boobs sitting in them, it looks wonderful. I don't really care about the ass so much, so I would say boobs. Actually, I tell a lie, I do like a little bit of ass sometimes. But if I had to choose, I would say boobs for sure. Nah, I lie. Ass. Ass for sure. Nice booty in your outfit? Yeah, I would say ass. So scratch that, I would say ass. Number 9, brown eyes or blue eyes? Ooh, blue eyes. Ah, so striking, so mesmerizing. Number 10, cake or pie? I would have to go with pie, especially if it's like a savory pie. I don't like sweet pies too much. I don't like sweets too much. So I would have to say pie, meat pie, a steak and ale pie, meat pie, any sort of pie that's savory. I would definitely say pie. Number 11, can you knit or crochet? No. 12, cheat or be cheated on? None of the above. Chicken. Number 13, chicken or beef? That's very hard, but I eat a lot of chicken, so I would say chicken. Because if I had to give up, I could give up beef, but chicken, no, I would say chicken, definitely. 14, city or countryside? Countryside, because it's more peaceful, it's just nice, and it gives you that sense of nature and quiet, and the birds chirping, and the air is fresh, so I would say countryside. 15, coffee or tea? Coffee. I much prefer coffee. Yeah, it's my picker-upper, coffee. 16, dinner or party? I would say dinner, actually, because it's more laid back, and you know, it's quiet, and you can get to talk to whomever you're with. It's just such a laid back sort of atmosphere, so I would definitely say dinner. Party was when I was in my 20s. I would party all the time, but now I'm in my 30s. I would much prefer dinner, nice quiet dinner. Number 17, DJ or live band? It depends, actually, because sometimes I go out and there's a DJ and they play really nice music, like music from from back in the 90s and 2000s, and it gives you just that nice vibe. And sometimes I go out and I see a live band playing, and they also play really nice songs from back then as well. So I would say, I don't know, it depends on where I am and the mood I'm in. Number 18, donuts or cupcakes. Cupcakes. I don't eat sweets much, but I would choose cupcakes for sure. I used to love cupcakes so much, so I'd definitely say cupcakes. Number 19, Facebook or Twitter. Facebook. I do not get Twitter. I don't understand Twitter, and I've tried for so long to use Twitter, but I just can't be asked. So definitely Facebook. And with Facebook, I use Facebook a lot, especially for my business, like for advertising and for posting stuff. I know you can do the same with Twitter, but I find Facebook more accessible to me and what I want for my brand. So I would say Facebook. Number 20, fame or riches. I don't want the fame because fame comes with so much and it's a lot of stress. I would say riches and be low-key with it. So definitely riches, low-key. 21, fast food or frozen food. None of the above, but if I were to really choose, I would choose fast food, because sometimes I'll have a McDonald's or a burger if I feel like it, which is once in a blue moon. So I'd say fast food. Don't like frozen food at all. It's just, ugh, no. But I have done it before. I have eaten frozen food, but it's not something I enjoy eating. So I'd definitely say fast food. Food or sex? Oh, really? Both? Thank you. They go hand in hand. Come on now. Food or sex? What kind of a question is that? Both of them. Number 3, friends or family? Both as well. When you have good friends and good family who support you and stick by you, nothing beats that. So both of them. But I would definitely say family comes first. In my case, in my thoughts and in my hearts of hearts, family is first. 24, heels or sneakers? Heels. I am definitely a heels girl. Like, if you look in my closet, I have so many heels, it's ridiculous. But every now and again, I like to wear sneakers. If I'm like going out and I don't want to wear any heels, I'd sometimes wear sneakers, especially if they're really trendy and nice sneakers. I'd wear them. But I am much more of a heels kind of girl. 25, hot or cold showers? Oh, definitely hot showers. Even if it's boiling hot outside, I like to shower hot because it just makes me feel so relaxed. Cold shower, if I go in the shower and it's cold, I will just done, gone. But hot showers for me, definitely. 27, leggings or jeans? Jeans. I wear jeans more than leggings. Leggings, I don't like leggings much. Jeans. 28, long nails or short nails? I am more like in between, because when I do my stilettos, they're short. They're shorter versions of stilettos, so I'd say in between long and short. But if I was really supposed to go for one of these answers, I would say short nails. Nicely manicured short nails. 29, looks or personality? Oh, definitely personality. Looks, no. Personality does so much for me, and when you've got a good personality, who cares about looks? But definitely personality for me. 30, meat or fish? Both. But if I was to choose, no, I can't choose, because I love meat and fish. I sometimes have meats, I sometimes have fish. It depends on the mood I'm in. All right, pads or tampons? I would say pads. I only wear tampons when I'm going out and I find them so uncomfortable. So I definitely say pads. Pepsi or cola? I don't drink any of the above, but if I were to choose, I would say Pepsi. I used to love Pepsi back in the day, so I would definitely say Pepsi. 33, red or green apples? I usually go for red apples because I just find them nicer. The green apples are usually more tart, so I usually go for red apples. 34, red or green bell peppers? I usually buy green ones, but I buy red ones as well, but I would go for the green ones. Don't know why, don't ask me, but I just like the green ones better. Red wine or white wine? Ooh, depends. But I do like both, I should say first and foremost. I do like both. and it also depends on the mood or what I'm eating. But like when it's really hot, I usually go for white wine, because when it's too hot, you don't want to drink red because that would put you to sleep. So I usually go for white wine, but it depends on the mood and what I'm eating, of course. Shaving or waxing? Definitely waxing. It's painful, it hurts, and all the above, but it usually leaves my skin so nice and clean and hairless and soft, and it usually lasts longer, like a couple of weeks. But if you shave, when I shave, I get a lot of hair bumps, and I hate that, and the hair grows back prickly and quickly, so I don't like shaving. I will definitely say waxing for me. Short girl or tall girl? What does that mean? Well, I'm an average girl, so I don't know what that question means, but tall girls? Yeah? Short guy or tall guy? Tall guy, definitely. Tall guy. So that was 38. I'm at 39 now. Short hair or long hair? Long hair for me. I find short hair so awkward to handle. And when I was just transitioning and my hair was very short, I just couldn't deal with it, because it was just at that awkward stage where I didn't know what to do with it. But now I can do so many styles. I can pull it back in one. I can let it out. There are so many ways I can style my hair when it's longer, so I would definitely say long hair. 40, shower gel or soap? People still shower with soap? I definitely shower gel. Soap, ooh, that is too much work. Yeah, no. Shower gel. Yeah, shower gel. 41, showers or bath? Showers for me, because I love when the water just beats down on my skin and I'm singing in the shower and I'm there and I'm washing my skin, and it's just wonderful. So definitely shower. If it's cold, I will take baths, and if my muscles are achy, I will take baths, but I would say shower definitely. 42, skirts or pants? Definitely skirts. I am a skirt girl all the way through. I find pants too restricting and just not for me, but I wear them, especially when it's cold. I wear pants, but I would definitely say skirts. I'm definitely a skirt kind of gal. We're getting closer, guys. 43, sleep with lights on or lights off? Lights off. But if there's a little bit of light peeking through, that doesn't make the room, because I don't like when the room is too dark. So if there's a little bit of light peeking through from somewhere, that's cool, but I don't sleep with the lights on. I would never sleep. 44, summer or winter? Summer. I know it's hot as hell, but I'm a summer baby. I was born on August 26th. My birthday is coming up really soon, so I'd have to say summer. It's hot as hell. Yes, I love the heat, but not when it's too hot. I like when it's just, you know, warm, but not like, oh my god, it's so hot. But definitely summer, because your girl is a summer baby. 45, sun or moon? Oh, the moon. When the moon is out and it's you know, when it's just big up in the sky, it's just so beautiful, and you can sit and have a drink and chat and whatever. It's just such a lovely thing to watch, especially when it's full moon. Yes, moon. They already asked this, coffee or tea? I've already answered that. Coffee. That was meant to be 46. Repeated question. 47, texting or phone calls? Texting. No call me. Me no want to talk. Just text me. Okay? I can't be asked to call. Just text me. Text me. Yeah, text me. Not a phone call kind of gal. Text me. Vanilla or chocolate? Ooh, both. Yeah, both. I love chocolate. Especially dark chocolate. But when it comes on to scents, I love vanilla scents. So I'd say both, but it depends on what you know, if it's food, it's definitely going to be chocolate. If it's like scents, I would say vanilla. So both, but it depends on what. 49, video games or sports? I don't do video games. I'm not into that. So it's definitely sports. I love sports. I love tennis. I love track and field. I love volleyball, netball, the whole lot, running, the whole lot. So I would definitely say sports. And the last one, you guys, which is number 50, is wine or beer. I would definitely say wine, but I do drink beers, especially when it's hella hot outside. I drink beers, but I am more of a wine kind of girl. So those are the questions, you guys. That was 50 questions. Oh my goodness, that was rather long. Anyways, I did enjoy doing those questions. If you did enjoy them as well, go ahead and thumbs up the video. Comment down below if you enjoyed as well. And if you want to do the tag, go ahead and do it. I'm not going to tag you guys because it's quite a long tag. So if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. Please, please, please feel free to do it. I would love to hear your answers. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you stopping by. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Thumbs up. Subscribe button is there. Go ahead and subscribe, and once you're there, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from Shaunz World. And of course, comment, thumbs up, follow me on all social platforms. They're down below as well. And if you're wondering, my lashes are from Shaunz Beauty. These are in the style Savage. I'm a Savage. Yes, so these are in the style Savage. My earrings are from Shaunz Boutique. Everything is linked in the description box down below, so go ahead and check it out. It's always helpful to check out the description box, and of course I will leave the questions in the description box as well. So if you want to do the tag, you can find the answers. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Mwah! Bye bye.